Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and important altcoins. So please watch this video complete and subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel. For more informative content and very useful information, links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And definitely I will tell you my next price targets of these coins and Bitcoin too. So please watch this video complete. You can see Bitcoin and alt markets is currently dumping, and now what are the next targets? I am definitely going to tell you in this video. Let me please show you the Bitcoin chart. This is the Bitcoin 1 over Tether US Binance chart, and here you can see Bitcoin is currently trading at $54,956. Here you can see, and price is continuously dropping. What is the next target for the Bitcoin? Let me please tell you. This is the upper trend line, I think, which is very important for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin move towards upside and candles close above this upside trend line, then definitely Bitcoin will go up and price will go up for the Bitcoin. But currently all things are in red, and I think Bitcoin will go down to this level. I think this is the level $53,400. This is the main trend line, upper trend line. It is very important to close Bitcoin. If Bitcoin close $56,700 with 4-hour candle closing, and then definitely price will go up. Otherwise, we may see some sideways action, or maybe it is going to hit this zone, which is major support at 53,300 is the major support for the Bitcoin right now, and this is the major resistance level for the Bitcoin currently right now, 58,000. And let me please tell you what I am thinking. I think Bitcoin will do this, and I think Bitcoin is ready to hit this, and after that we may see pump in Bitcoin price, and after that this is the scenario, I think. And our first target for the Bitcoin is currently is 53,300, you can say, and this is the major support zone for the Bitcoin. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this support zone, then our next target will be, let me please show you. In that case, sorry for that. In that case, our target will be this 49,200, and this is the target 48,500. But I think Bitcoin should have to move towards upside from this zone, and should have to break this upside trend line from this zone. And this, because this is the major support resistance for the support line for the Bitcoin, is currently at 53,300 price level. And let me please label on this. I think this is the level. Our first target, you can say, first base target is 53,300, and our second target is 49,100, and our third target will be this 48,455. But I think this is the major resistance, major support zone is at 49,000. Bitcoin should have to move towards upside from that zone. Otherwise, I think this is the major zone, 53,000 level. I think Bitcoin should have to move towards upside, and once Bitcoin break this upside trend line at 55,300 or 55,500, then our upside target, let me please tell you. In that case, our first target will be 58,000, and our second target will be 59,000. These are the targets, but for these targets, Bitcoin should have to close 4 hourly candles above $55,300 price level. Otherwise, it will go down to hit 53,300. These are the targets. You can note down these targets. Once Bitcoin break this upside trend line and close 4 hourly candles above $55,300 and with high volume, let me please show you the volume. Currently volume is not very supporting, and it is very, here you can see volume, very less volume in the towers, volume towers. I think Bitcoin will go to hit 53,000, and after that maybe it will move towards upside and break this horizon, this upside trend line, and for upside movement. But currently trend is over, friend, and currently market is very bearish, and maybe we may see some price drop in the Bitcoin, and maybe price down to 49,000. 53,000 is our first target, 49,000 is our second target, and 48,400 is our third target. These are the bearish targets. Once Bitcoin break 55,300 price dollars level, in that case our first target will be 58,000 and our second target will be 59,000. Otherwise I am bearish on this. Maybe it is going to hit 53,000, maybe it is going to hit 49,000. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. This is EMA ribbon is currently at 55,600 and it is very strong resistance for the Bitcoin for upside movement. And I think for upside movement Bitcoin should have to break this EMA ribbon and close 4 hourly candle or hourly candle above 56,300. This is the main resistance according to the EMA ribbon right now. Maybe price will going to retest this level 53,300, and after that price maybe if Bitcoin break this support zone, then definitely 49,000 is our next target right now. Currently I am not very bullish and I think market will go down, and this is the main zone. Bitcoin should have to move towards the upside after hitting this zone 53,000. Once Bitcoin break this towards downside, then definitely 49,000. Otherwise, and if it moves towards the upside and break 55,300, then 58,000 and 59,000 are our targets. My next coin is Ethereum. Ethereum is currently is in this downtrend, and it is at $1,760 price target, price level, and it was at $1,950, and after that you may see a very big drop of the Ethereum price, and this is the main trend line for the Ethereum right now. For upside movement, Ethereum should have to break this upside trend line and should have to close 4 hourly or hourly candle above this trend line. In that case, Ethereum price will go up, and otherwise maybe it is going to hit and retest this zone is at $1,724. And let me please remove these lines. Currently my first target for the Ethereum is that zone. Let me please show you. This is our first target for the Ethereum, 1724. And once Ethereum break this towards upside, then it is good for the Ethereum. Otherwise it will go down to, let me please show you. In that case, maybe price will go down to hit this zone. $1,626, or maybe this 1,560. These are bearish targets for the Ethereum right now. If Ethereum close 4 hourly candle above this zone, and let me please show you the EMA ribbon too for more clear targets. EMA ribbon is currently at $1,790, and it is currently as a resistance for the Ethereum price. Ethereum should have to break this EMA ribbon and should have to break this upside trend line to move towards upside. Otherwise price will go down to hit these targets. And once Ethereum break this upside trend line, and which is at $1,770, then it should have to break this EMA ribbon at $1,792. In that case, our first target will be $1,820, and our second target will be, in that case, $1,850. Let me please remove this. In that case, if Ethereum break this zone upside trend line, in that case, let me please show you my first target. In that case, our first target will be this 1820, second target will be 1850, and our third target will be 1870. These are upside targets. Once Ethereum break this upside trend line, otherwise it will go down to hit my bearish targets. I think price will go down, I think so. These are three targets, and if Ethereum break this support zone, which is currently at $1,723, and close overly candle, 1 hour candle above, below this, then definitely it have to hit these levels: 1724, 1626, and 1564. These are the levels. I think currently I am very bearish on Ethereum right now. All eyes are on this upside trend line and EMA ribbon. For upside movement, Ethereum should have to break EMA ribbon and this upside trend line. My next chart is Wi-Fi USDT. Wi-Fi was rejected from that zone and it was at $38,500, and now price is at $33,600. And this is the main trend line. Let me please show you. This is the main trend line, and currently Wi-Fi is in this down channel, and once it break, this is the major support zone for the Wi-Fi is at $33,300, and let me please show you. This is the major support zone for the Wi-Fi right now, $33,240. Once it break towards downside, in that case, definitely price is going to hit this zone, and this is $30,300. This is my target. This is the major support zone for the Wi-Fi right now. This is our bearish target. First bearish target is that zone, and second bearish target is that zone, 30,300. These are the targets currently for this Wi-Fi. And if it break this upside trend line, and then definitely it will go to hit 35,300 again. Maybe we may see some sideways action, but if it break $33,200 price, then definitely it is going to hit 31,000 and 30,300. These are the targets right now for me. Otherwise, some sideways action. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Cardano. Cardano is listed at Coinbase, and this is very good news for the Cardano holders. And let me please show you next target. Cardano is currently creating a bull flag, and what is the target of this bull flag? Let me please show you. Sorry for that. I have to make a clone of this, and should have to put on this. This is our first target for the Cardano right now, $1.4, and once it break this horizontal resistance, which is at $1.30, then our next target will be this. These are the targets, same target, and this is the major support zone for the Cardano right now. Major support zone for the Cardano is $1.90 and major resistance is at $1.29. Once it break this, then our target will be 1.80, and if it break this the support line, then our target will be 1.08. But I think it should have to hit this $1.40 is my next target for the Cardano right now. My next coin is Tron, TRX USDT. Tron was rejected from that zone 0.55 and it is currently trading at $0.053. And it is going to hit this major support zone, which is 0.052, and then definitely it will go down to hit this zone 0.051. Let me please tell you my target. My first target is this zone, which is 0.051. You can say this is the target for the bearish target for the Tron right now. And once it break towards downside, in that case it should have to hit this zone and should have to hit 0.049. These are currently two targets for the Tron right now. And if it break this rising broadening wedge, in that case our target will be this. In that case our target should be this. For upside momentum, Tron should have to hold this zone, which is at 0.051. If Tron breaks 0.051 towards downside, then 0.049, 0.048 and 0.0465. These are three targets. Otherwise, it will move towards upside and then definitely it will move like this. But I am not sure. Let me please show you my next coin, Polkadot. Polkadot was rejected from that zone, and this was the zone $39.2, and after that it was rejected from that zone $36.3. These are currently two major resistance for the Polkadot right now, $39 and $36.2. These are the resistance levels, and major support zone for the Polkadot is at 13.05, I think, and it is in this rising channel. If unfortunately Polka break this rising channel towards downside, then our target, in that case our target will be, let me please show you. In that case our target will be this, $31.85, or you can say $31.90. These are the this is my bearish target. If Polkadot break this downtrend line, which is currently at $34.52, if Polkadot break $34.50, in that case it is ready to go down to $31.90. Otherwise, maybe some sideways action, right, like this maybe. But I think this downtrend line is very, very important. Maybe price go down to hit this zone, to retest this zone maybe, and after that price will move towards the upside. I am not very bearish on the Polkadot. I think maybe it will go down to $33 or maybe $31. Then after that the big rally of upside will start, I think so. And in that case, if it break this downside support zone level, in that case $29.56. These are three bearish target for the Polkadot right now. But I think this is very, very strong zone. $33. If Polkadot break this zone, then definitely $31.9, maybe $29.6. Otherwise, it will move towards upside to hit $36 again. My next coin is Chainlink. Chainlink was rejected from that zone $30.5, and after that we see a big drop in Chainlink price. This is the downtrend line for the Chainlink right now at $27.5. Once Chainlink break this downtrend line, then definitely it is going to hit $26.7 and maybe $25.65. Let me please show you the targets. I think Chainlink should have to hold this zone. If break this zone, which is currently $27.3, then definitely it will go to hit $26.84 or maybe $25.6. And if Chainlink break this, in that case our target will be this zone. Our first target for the Chainlink, in case if Chainlink break this downtrend line, in that case 26.75, and second target is 25.08 or maybe 25.65. These are the targets right now for Chainlink. And if Chainlink move towards upside, then maybe some sideways action like this, and after that it will go to hit 28.3, but I am not very much sure that it will go up because of the volume. Volume is not supporting currently. You can see volume is very less in the Chainlink's chart. That is why maybe some sideways action, or maybe price is going to hit 26.7 or 25.08. These are the targets for the Chainlink right now. My next chart is XLM USD. XLM was rejected from that zone, which was $0.41, and after that we see a massive down, and it hit $0.36, and after that we see a upside rally. But now this is the main trend line for the Stellar right now. If Stellar break this main trend line, in that case Stellar is ready to hit this. These are the targets for this Stellar right now, and if Stellar hold this zone, this downtrend line, in that case maybe some sideways action, and maybe it is going to hit again $0.41. Otherwise these are the targets. But I think maybe some sideways move, and maybe it is going to hit these down trend line, bearish targets, because volume is very less. And let me please show you my next chart, which is UniUSDT. Uniswap was rejected from that zone, which is $31.5, and now it is trading at $29.9. I think it have to hit this zone, and it have to hit this zone because this is in this rising broadening wedge. Maybe price pull back from that zone, and after that it will go down to hit this zone. And if unfortunately Uniswap break this downtrend line, which is currently at 29.28, in that case our targets will be, in that case our first target will be $26.87, and our second target, let me please show you, These are two targets, but main eyes are on this trend line, downtrend line, and if Uniswap break this downtrend line and close hourly candles below $29, then definitely these are the targets, 26.87 and 25.59. My next chart is Kusama KSM. Kusama was rejected from that zone and the price was $344, and now it is at $317. What will be the next target for the Kusama? I think Kusama have to hit this zone, and which is $308. It is our first target, and after that, let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently holding Kusama right now, and it is at $315. If Kusama break and close 4 hourly candle below this, in that case price will go down, because EMA ribbon is currently supporting at $315. $315 is the EMA ribbon zone. If EMA ribbon if candles break EMA ribbon, then in that case $307 is our target. Maybe price maybe if it moved towards upside from that zone, and then it is our target. But I think this is the target, $307. And let me please remove this. This is our first target, $307 for Kusama right now. Let me please show you my next target for the Kusama. $285 and $282. These are three targets. 307, 285, 282. These are three targets for the Kusama right now, and this is the main trend line for the Kusama right now. And if Kusama break this down trend line and close hourly candle below $314 or $315, in that case it will definitely going to hit $307, $285, $282. These are the three targets for the Kusama right now. My next chart is very important, VeChain. VeChain was in bullish mood, but unfortunately it was rejected from $0.083, and after that it is currently holding this zone which is 0.071, and this is the major support zone for the VeChain right now. If VeChain break this 0.070, then definitely it is going to hit 0.062, and this is the upside trend line. And if VeChain break $0.074 towards upside and close hourly candle above 0.074, in that case it will move towards upside, because this is very important trend line, and if it break this trend line, then definitely it will go up, and for this it should have to close 0.074. It should have to close hourly candle above 0.074. In that case it will go up to hit 0.083, and if it break this zone 0.071, in that case, then let me please tell you, in that case our first target will be this zone 0.062, or you can say this is the target 0.062. and if unfortunately let me please show you my next target according to the pattern. And this is our second target. But if if VeChain break 0.0 0.74, in that case it will go up to hit 0.083. Otherwise definitely it is going to hit 0.062 and 0.057. These are targets. My next coin is Litecoin, LTC. Litecoin was rejected from that zone and the price was $229, and after that we see a massive price drop in the Litecoin, and it is currently trading at $197. What is our next target? This is the upside trend line. For upside movement, Litecoin should have to break this zone, $203 or $205. In that case it will go up. Otherwise, let me please show you what is the next. I think it have to hit this zone again, and our first target 191. And if unfortunately it break this support zone 191, in that case this is the target. These are three targets for the Litecoin right now, and if it pull back from that zone, then it should have to break $205 to move to $204 to move towards upside. Otherwise 191, 180, 171. These are the targets. Let me please show you my next chart. Very important chart, Binance coin. Binance was rejected from that zone, and after that price is collapse and $315, and after that it will go down to hit. It is currently at $250. I think the price of the Binance coin should have to hit this zone, and which is $240. It is our first target. For the upside movement, Binance coin should have to break this upside trend line and should have to close over the candle above $258. In that case, it will, once it break this zone, then in that case it will go up. Otherwise it is ready to go down. Let me please show you my next target for the Binance coin right now. First target is 240, sorry, and second target should be this. For upside movement, Binance coin should have to hold $240. Otherwise, if it break towards downside, then definitely 216. These are the targets. These are 219, sorry. These are the targets, 240 and 219. My next coin is Aave. Aave was rejected from 428, and after that we see a massive price drop in the Aave, and this is the major resistance zone, I think so. And let me please manage this. And this is the major support zone in right now. You can draw this. Okay. And this is the main trend line. For upside movement, Aave should have to break this zone and close 4 hourly candle above $371 to move towards upside. Otherwise it is ready to go to hit this zone. Let me please show you. My first target for the Aave is this zone, and first target for the Aave is this zone, sorry for that, 358, and after that if it break this major support zone, in that case our second target will be this zone 339. These are two targets for the Aave right now, and if Aave pull back from that zone and break this, then definitely our first target 377. But trend is our friend and market is in bearish mode. My next coin is Maker. Maker was rejected from that zone and it was at $2,360, and currently it is at $2,067, and it is trying to break this upside trend line. And let me please show you. If it break this upside trend line and close overly candle above this zone, $2,100, in that case this is our first target, 2,120. In that case our second target will be 23,058. Otherwise, and if it break this downtrend line, in that case, if it break $2,030, in that case 235, sorry, in that case it is ready to hit 1935. All eyes are on this trend line, downtrend line and up trend line. Once it break this downtrend line and close overly candle below $2,015, then it is ready to hit 1932. It is our first target, and after that maybe these are three targets. And if it break this zone, which is $2,104 or $5, you can say this zone 2,105 to $2,108. In that case our first target will be this zone. In that case our first target will be this zone 22,073 and 2,361. But for the upside movement it should have to break $2,105, otherwise price will go down to hit these targets. My next coin is EGLD. EGLD was rejected from that zone and price was 164, and it is currently trading at 129, and it is ready to break this uptrend line. In that case our first target will be this zone. Sorry for that. This is our first target for the EGLD right now, and 134. And let me please show you my next target. These are two targets for the EGLD right now, 134, 149, 45, sorry. Doggy was rejected from 0.063 and it was rejected from 0.0592, and now it is currently trading at 0.057, and it is currently in this rising channel, or you can say horizontal channel. And once it break towards downside, in that case, let me please arrange this. If it break towards downside, then our next target will be this zone. Currently first target is this zone, 0.055, second target is 0.053, and if it break the second target 0.055, in that case price will go down to hit this zone 0.050. This is, but if doggy hold this zone, then maybe some sideways action like this, because volume is not very high. That is why maybe some sideways move, but definitely it is not going to hit upside, I think so. My next coin is XRP. This was the fake pump, and price was $0.52, and after that we see again price drop for the Ripple, and it is currently at $0.46, $0.456, you can say 0.45, and let me please show you my next target. I think it should have to hit this zone. This is our first target, and this is the major support line, $0.40, and once it break, because it a double top was created, and here you can see first top and here you can see second top. In that case definitely it is going to hit this zone, and then after that maybe if it break this zone, in that case maybe price is ready to go down to hit this zone. These are three targets: 0.45, 0.42 and 0.417. These are three targets for the Ripple right now. If Ripple holds this zone 0.45, then some sideways action, then you can see some sideways action. If Ripple hold this zone, in that case some sideways action like this. Let me please show you my next chart. My next chart is Cake. Cake is in this descending channel, and you can say falling channel or falling wedge type channel, and it is currently is at $9.55, $9.55, and I think it will go to hit this zone very soon. 8.66 is our first target. After that sorry for that. These are two targets for the Cake right now: 8.6 and 6.62. 8.68 and 6.62, and if it break upside trend line and close 4 hourly candle above $9.80, then it is ready to hit 10.58. My next coin is Lit. Lit was rejected from that zone $11.9, and it is currently at $11.03. $11.04, and this is the main trend line, downtrend line. I think Lit should have to hold this trend line. If Lit break this downtrend line, in that case it is ready to hit this zone. In that case our first target will be $9.78. Otherwise some sideways action like this. Okay, this is our target, 9.78 for the Lit right now. My next coin is 1 inch, very important coin. 1 inch was rejected from $4.8, and now it is currently trading at $4.49, and this is the downtrend line. If 1 inch break this downtrend line and close over the candle below $4.40. In that case, it is our first target. $4.45 is our first target for 1 inch. And once it breaks this, in that case, I am not sure. I think 1 inch should have to hold this trend line. And if it breaks, then definitely $4.25. And this is the worst scenario, $3.8. These are the targets. But if 1 inch hold this zone, then definitely it is ready to hit 4.67 again. My next coin is SXP. SXP was rejected from $3.78 and it is currently trading at $3.02 and currently is holding this, is trying to hold $2.95. Once it breaks this towards downside, then our target will be, let me please show you. In that case, our first target will be this. $2.61, and if it moves towards upside, this is the main trend line, upside trend line. If it moves towards upside and break $3.16, in that case it is ready to hit 3.36 or maybe 3.78 again, but I am not sure. If it breaks towards downside, then 2.61 is my next target for the SXP right now. My next coin is Matic. Matic was rejected from $0.50 and it is currently trading at $0.40. I think it have to hit this zone. Our first target for the Matic is 0.34. This is the target for the Matic right now. If Matic break this upside trend trend line and close over the candle above $0.42, in that case it is ready to hit 0.43 or maybe 0.50. Otherwise it is ready to go to hit this zone. Because it is in this falling channel or descending channel, you can say, maybe price will go to hit this zone too. Sorry for that. Maybe price will go down to hit this zone, 0.31. This is our second target. These are the two targets for the Matic right now. My next chart is SNX USD. SNX is currently struggling to hold $18, and I think if it breaks this, then definitely it will go down to hit this zone. This is, let me please tell you, this is our, I think, target for the SNX. First target is that zone, second target is that zone, and third target, let me please tell you, and third target will be that zone. These are three targets for the SNX. And if SNX move towards upside and close 4 hourly candle above $18.57, then in that case it will go up. Otherwise it will hit these three targets. Let me please show you my next coin, Reef USDT, and Reef was rejected from 0.058 and it is currently trading at $0.038, and our first target for the, I think, Reef, if Reef break this upside resistance zone, then definitely it is our first target. In that case, let me please label on this. And if reef fails to break this, in that case our target for the reef is that zone. For upside movement, reef should have to close hourly candle above 0.039. In that case, it is ready to hit 0.043. Otherwise, it is ready to hit 0.034. These are the targets. And once reef hit this target 0.0345 and break this zone, then definitely price will go down, maybe very down. Currently trend is over, friend, and until end I think maybe some sideways action you can see like this, maybe sorry for that, maybe it is going to hit 0.034 and after that it will go up. But these are two targets. If break this $0.038 level, then 0.043, otherwise 0.034. These are the target for the reef right now, immediate short-term targets. My next coin is BTT BitTorrent token. It was rejected from that zone and price was 0.002, and now it is currently trading at 0.00158. I think it should have to hit this zone, and after that this is first target. And what is once it break this zone, this is the main support zone, 0.0001525. In that case it is ready to hit these targets. Sorry for that. These are three targets. For upside movement, BTT should have to break this zone, and BTT should have to close hourly candle above 0.0017. In that case, if BTT close hourly candle above this zone 0.016, in that case, sorry, 0.017, in that case it is ready to going to hit 0.01705 or 0.0178. But you should have to focus on this zone 0.001 to 1627. For upside movement, it should have to break this zone. Then it is definitely it will hit 0.0017 and 0.0018. Otherwise it will go ready to hit these targets. I think trend is over, friend, and market is very bearish. I think these are very realistic targets and BTT should have to hit these targets. That is why I am ready. I am going to delete these targets. These are three targets. Algorand USDT is my next chart, and Algorand was rejected from $1.35 and it is currently at $1.17, and this is the main downtrend line. It is at $1.16, and if Algorand break this down towards downside, in that case our first target will be like this. It should have to hit this zone. $1.12 is first target. Then second target will be this zone 1.08, and third target will be this zone 1.06. These are current targets, and if unfortunately, sorry for that, it break this zone 1.12 $12. In that case, it should have to hit this zone. These are three targets: $1.12, $1.08, and $1.033. And if it holds this downtrend line, then definitely some sideways action may be like this. But these are very realistic targets. Let me please show you my next coin, which is TWT USDT. And TWT was rejected from $0.68, and now it is currently at $0.59. And I think this is where major resistance support zone is at $0.59. If TWT break this, in that case our first target will be this zone 0.54, and second target will be this. These are the targets for the TWT right now, and this is the major support zone, which is currently at $0.59. If it hold, then that may be sideways action in this zone, but I think it have to hit these targets. My next coin is Wink USDT, and it is currently trading at $0.00026. Our first target will be this zone, and after that, if it break this zone, then our second target will be this zone. These are two targets: 0.00025, 0.00022. And if it break upside trend line, in that case it should have to close overly candle above 0.0002667, 0.00027. In that case, if it do this, then definitely it is going to hit next upside targets. Otherwise, these are the targets. The major zone is $0.00027. If it break towards upside, then definitely it is ready to hit upside targets. Otherwise, it is ready to hit bearish target. I think I am very much sure that it should have to hit these targets: 0.00025 and 0.00022. These are the targets. Let me please show you my next coin. My next coin is UTK USDT. UTK was rejected from $0.73, and it is currently in this falling wedge, and price is $0.577. You can say $0.57, and I think it should have to hit this zone. Maybe after that we may see some actions like this. And if unfortunately it break this zone, in that case $0.485. These are the targets. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. What is EMA ribbon is telling us? EMA ribbon is now turning as a resistance for the upside movement. I think it should have to hit these targets very soon: 0.548, 0.4869. These are targets. And let me please show you my next coin. My next coin is one Harmony. Harmony was rejected from $0.10, and now it is currently trading at $0.079. And in that case, this is the main, and it is in this falling wedge. I think this is major support zone is at 0.07585. If Harmony break this zone, then our target will be 0.067. It is our first target, and maybe after that we may see action like this, but our target is 0.066. this is our first, this is our target for the Harmony right now. CRB USDT is our next coin. CRB was rejected from that $2.63 and now it is currently trading at $2.29. I think our first target will be this zone. It should have to hit this zone very soon. This is our target, 2.22, and once it break this zone and break this downtrend line, otherwise then in that case it have to hit this zone. This is our second target and this is our third target, 1.98. These are three targets for the CRB right now. If CRB hold this zone, in that case it will definitely going to hit 2.37 again, but I think it have to hit these targets. My next coin is HBAR. HBAR was very bullish, but now it is at $0.30. HBAR currently is in this falling wedge, and our target for this falling wedge is currently is this zone, 0.28, and maybe after that, after hitting this zone, it will go up. Sorry for that. I think this is most likely scenario. 0.28, after hitting 0.28, it should have to hit $0.33. And if unfortunately it break this towards downside, in that case it have to hit this zone. These are the targets. Because this is a bullish pattern, and after breakout, maybe it is going to hit $0.33, and maybe after hitting breaking this, then definitely it have to hit the beginning of this falling wedge. According to the technical pattern, this is the upside target, 0.33 and 0.47, but for this it should have to close over the candle above $0.32, otherwise it is ready to hit 0.27 and 0.22. My next coin is BAKE token, and BAKE was rejected from $1.60 and it is currently trading at $1.13. I think the price of the BAKE should have to hit this zone. Sorry for that. This is the major support zone for the BAKE right now. If BAKE break this support zone, in that case this is our second target. These are two targets, 1.10 and 0.95. These are the targets. And once it break this zone, then definitely it have to break you can say this is the third target. But if it holds this zone, then some sideways action. Let me please show you my next coin is AVAX. AVAX was rejected from $33.65 right now, and it create double top right now. Here you can see first top, second top, and definitely it have to hit this zone, and it have to hit $29.64 is our first target, and second target should be like this. According to the technical pattern, it should have to hit this zone. This is second target and this is the third target. But if it holds this zone, then it will go up. Otherwise, these are targets. My next coin is Cosmos. Cosmos was rejected from $22.12, and it break this horizontal support zone and downtrend line, and here you can see if it break this, then it have to hit this zone. This is first target and this is second target. These are the targets, otherwise it will move towards upside, but I think it should have to hit these targets. My next coin is Koti. Koti was rejected from $0.42, and now it is currently trading at $0.36. This is the main zone. Koti should have to hold this zone. Otherwise, if Koti break this, then definitely it have to hit $0.31. I think so. If Koti close over the candle below $0.35, in that case our target will be 0.31. This is the target. And if it hold this zone, then some sideways action like this. Then some sideways action. Maybe like this. But if it break $0.35, then $0.31 is our target. My next coin is XCM. XCM was rejected from that zone, and it is facing resistance at $0.41. I think our target will be this zone. 0.31 is our target for the XCM right now. Ocean USDT is our next coin. Ocean was rejected from $1.61, and it is currently trading at $1.35, and it is the major support zone for the Ocean right now. If Ocean break this zone, then definitely it will go up or go down. Otherwise, if it break this upside trend line and close over the candle above $1.37, in that case it will go up, otherwise it will go down. Let me please show you my target. I think 1.33 is the major level. It should have to hold $1.33. If break $1.33, then definitely it will go down to hit this zone. This is our bearish target, 1.20, and this is 1.29. These are two targets. These are bearish targets, and if it hold this zone $1.33 and then it close over the candle above $1.38, in that case it will go up. In that case, movement like this. My next coin is ENJ USDT. ENJ was rejected from $3.08, and it is currently trading at $2.30, and this is the major support zone for the ENJ right now. If ENJ break this support zone, then definitely 1.94 is our second target, and if ENJ move to hold this zone and break and close over the candle above $2.40, in that case it will go up. Otherwise 1.94 is our target for the ENJ right now. This is the video, friend. If you want to open your Binance account for leverage trading, or your Bybit account for leverage trading, then you have to go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of the Binance exchange and the link of Bybit exchange. You can open your account within 30 seconds only. It will take only 30 seconds. And if you want to collect some low altcoins, low cap altcoins, then you have to open your account in Hotbit. Thanks for watching, friends. Keep supporting me and thumbs up the like button right now, and please keep supporting me.